Hello friends, is your car struggling with rough idling, reduced power, or increased fuel consumption? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0292, you're dealing with a cylinder 12 injector circuit high issue. This means the fuel injector is receiving too much voltage, which can lead to misfires, inefficient combustion, and long-term engine damage. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0292 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0292 stands for Cylinder 12 Injector Circuit High. This means that the fuel injector for cylinder 12 is receiving higher than normal voltage, which can cause excessive fuel delivery to the cylinder. If left unchecked, this can lead to engine flooding, poor performance, and even catalytic converter damage. Common symptoms of P0292: check engine, light on, engine misfiring or running rough, loss of power and acceleration, increased fuel consumption, hard starting or excessive fuel smell, and black smoke from the exhaust. If not fixed in time, P0292 can lead to long-term engine issues. To diagnose and fix P0292, check these critical components. Cylinder 12. Fuel injector located near the intake manifold or cylinder head, attached to the fuel rail. Fuel rail pressure sensor mounted on the fuel rail. It monitors and regulates fuel pressure. Injector wiring harness runs along the engine bay and connects the injectors to the ECU. Engine control unit, usually found in the engine bay or under the dashboard, it controls the fuel injector voltage. Fuel pressure regulator, located on the fuel rail or inside the fuel tank, it helps maintain the correct fuel pressure. A failure in any of these parts can trigger P0292. Common causes of P0292: faulty fuel injector. If the injector is stuck open, it allows too much fuel into the cylinder. Wiring or connector issues, short circuits, corroded wires, or poor connections can increase voltage to the injector. Malfunctioning fuel pressure sensor. A defective sensor can send incorrect signals to the ECU. Faulty engine control unit. The ECU might be sending excessive voltage to the injector. Fuel system problems. Issues with the fuel pressure regulator or fuel pump can cause too much fuel delivery. So, how do you fix P0292? Well, let's go through the steps. First, inspect and replace the cylinder 12 fuel injector if it's faulty. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor for any malfunctions. After that, inspect the injector wiring harness for damage or loose connections. Then test the fuel pressure regulator to ensure proper fuel control. Also, scan the ECU for errors and reset it after repairs. And finally, if the issue persists, check for ECU software updates or consider reprogramming it. P0292 is a fuel injector circuit issue that can cause poor fuel efficiency, engine misfires, and even long-term damage. Fixing it early will restore performance and prevent costly repairs. Want to learn more about injector-related issues? Watch these next videos. P0259, Injection Pump Fuel Metering Control. Be Intermittent, and P0260, Injector Control Circuit High. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.